Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Raycon Fitness earbuds not pairing together. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix this problem here. Well, fixing this problem is actually pretty easy. So first things first is you want to go to your original device here, which in this case can be your phone, and you want to basically forget your Raycon Fitness earbuds here. Now this is important in order for you to do a full reset. So again, you want to go and just go to your device here and forget your Raycon Fitness earbuds. Now once you've done that, you want to go and take your earbuds here, and if they're turned on, you want to go and just press the contact points here, which in this case this one and this one, for about 4 seconds until you see the lights on your earbuds actually turn off. Now once they are off here, what you need to do is you now need to place your earbuds in the actual case. So again, you want to put them inside the case here, and once they are inside, do not close the lid. Now what you need to do next is you want to press and hold the contact points again for about 30 seconds. Now, what I mean by 30 seconds, the full duration of the 30 seconds. So in this case, the way you count here is 1001, 1002, and 1003. So count slowly here until you get to 30. Now, once 30 seconds is up, you could go and just close your lid here, and you could go ahead and just basically open it up again and see if that actually resets your Raycon Fitness earbuds. Now, you could go and just repair them in your device here, and that should be it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.